Now let's see how to solve this question. Here a wooden bookshelf has external dimensions as follows. So external dimensions are height is equal to 110 centimeter, breadth is equal to 25 centimeter, and length is equal to 85 centimeter as given in this figure. Now we are also provided that the thickness is 5 centimeter everywhere. So thickness is equal to 5 centimeter. Next we are given is the external features are to be polished, means this is to be polished, and inner features are to be painted. Okay. Now what is the cost of polishing? That is rupees, sorry, not rupees, it is 20 paise per centimeter square. Now 20 paise can be written as rupees 0.2. The reason behind the same is as rupees 1 has 100 paise. Okay, therefore 20 paise will be equal to rupees 0.2. Okay, so the cost will be rupees 0.2 per centimeter square, one and the same thing. Okay, now what we have to find in this question is the total expenses required for polishing. So let's look for polishing only first of all. Now if we have to find the cost for polishing, first we need to find the area that is to be polished. Okay, now external faces are to be polished. Now see, suppose this is our almirah, front face of the almirah, including 3 drawers, drawer 1, drawer 2 and drawer 3. Now in this see, we have to find the TSA of, we will include this face, similarly 5 back faces. Now in case of front face, we will take out the TSA of this front face and reduce the front face area of this drawer 1, drawer 2 and similarly drawer 3. Now how to find this? See, for this we need to calculate TSA of cuboid, that is twice of length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length. So this is the TSA of the figure. Now what we have to reduce is the area occupied the front face of the drawer. Now for that we need to find the dimensions of the drawer. Now we are given that this is 85 centimeter and this is 110 centimeter. Now see, suppose this is the outer face and this is the inner face. Now to find the area of this part, we will calculate the area of this minus the area of this and we will get the area of this part. Now to find the dimension, what we can do is, we are provided the total length of this, the length of margins or the thickness, therefore we can find the inner surface length. So how to find its length? We are given it is 85 here, 5 this side, 5 this side, therefore 85 minus choice of 5 is equal to 75. Now this is the length, 75 centimeter. But how to find its length? This is important to know. So let's assume that there are the height of the 3 drawers are same because they are of same dimensions. Okay, so height 1 plus height 2 plus height 3. Okay, including 4 times of thickness. See, thickness 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore the total height, that is 110 centimeter, will be 4 times of thickness plus 3 times of the height of the drawer. So 110, thickness provided is 5, therefore 4 into 5, that is 20, plus thrice of height. Now height is equals to 30 centimeter. From here we can calculate the TSA of the polished surface. So let's find for TSA of polished surface, okay, is equal to 2 LB plus BH plus BH plus HL and minus the thrice of the area of the front face. Now for the front face, it is the length and this height. So length into height. Let's put the value, just a minute, into length into height. Okay, so let's put it value. So twice of length into breadth, that was 85 and 25, gives us 2125. Then next breadth, that was 25, and height, that was 110, gives us 2750. And the height, that was 110, and length, that is 85, gives us 9350. Now the height, now thrice of height of the drawer. What was the height of drawer? 30, and what is its length? That was 75. Now on calculations, we will come to know that 28450 minus 6750 will equal to 21700 centimeter. Now the area, this area is to be polished. We will find its cost. Now therefore cost was rupees 2 upon 10 per centimeter square. So total cost will be equal to 21700 into 2 upon 10. That is equal to rupees 4340. Okay, now let us see the other part of the question. Now we are also asked in this question, is the inner faces are to be painted and the cost of painting is 10 paise per centimeter square. Now let's do. Let me erase all this. Now the cost we earlier calculated was 4340. As we at last we have to find the total expenses. So inner faces, where we calculate that the length 85, so that was 75 centimeter, height 30 centimeter. Now we need to find the breadth, but as the almirah is open, see, suppose this is the drawer of the almirah and it is open from one end, so assume it like this. Okay, now to find the breadth, we will not reduce it by twice of 5. It is open, so it will be 25 minus 5 only from one side. The thickness is from one side here. Therefore breadth will be equal to 20 centimeter. Now we need to find the area to be painted. So area to be painted will be equal to, this was a face, means this was a drawer, so we can calculate it like that as TSA of the whole figure minus the area of open portion. So TSA of cuboid, as discussed earlier, was twice of length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length. okay, into, now subtract the area of the open portion, that is length into height. Now we calculate the area, this area of only and only one face. Now one drawer, so we have 3 drawers, so as the dimensions of 3 are same, so we can multiply it by 3, and therefore it will result in the overall area that is to be painted. Now let us calculate. Now choice of length breadth. Now length breadth, that is 2250 on calculation. Breadth, that was 20, and height, that is 30, is equal to 1500. Height, that is 30, and length, that is 75, is now here it is 600. Okay, minus height into length, that is 2250. Okay, on now thrice of 8700 minus 2250, okay, is equal to thrice of 6450, and answer will be equal to 19350 centimeters square. Important, these are important. Now what we have to do, this is the area. Now cost given to us was equal to rupees, not rupees, you can first of all write 10 paise. So 10 paise per centimeter square was the cost. Now we can write it as rupees 0.1 per centimeter square. Reason that is same, 100 paise is equal to rupees 1, therefore 10 paise will be equal to rupees 0.1. So the cost is rupees 0.1 per centimeter square. Now cost, this is total cost, okay, that is 19350 into rupees 10 by 100, okay. Now the cost is rupees 1935. Now we have finded the cost of the polished portion, that was 4340, and of the cost to be painted, okay. Now cost we got was 1935. Okay, now what is the last part of a question, that find the total expenses required for polishing and painting the surface of the bookshelf. Means we have to calculate the total expenses, that is 4340 plus 1935. So we have to mention that total cost of expenses will be equal to rupees 4340 plus rupees 1935. Now total cost will be equal to rupees 6275, and this is our answer. Hope you have understood the question, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you really got some understanding from my solution.